This is the newest antique chainsaw that I've picked up. Got it at an auction about a month ago, and paid the most I've ever paid for a chainsaw, $32. Maybe it was because I stood around in the pouring rain for like 5 hours. Google has failed on this one. I cannot find any information on a Klipper chainsaw. Can't find any pictures. Doesn't find anywhere where it's been mentioned, so I gotta say this is the first and only one I've ever seen or heard of. No covers on the side for the chain. I had to put some new fuel lines on it and they cleaned the carb out, but I was able to get it running. It's got a Tillotson HL carburetor on it. It's got a manual oil system. It doesn't look like it ever had any shrouding over the cylinder either. It has a pretty sweet exhaust system. It's got an old Oregon bar on it. There's no kill switch, and there's this little spring-loaded switch up here that I'm thinking maybe that somehow shorted this. I'm thinking somehow that would hit the spark plug, but somebody's added a cap, and you can't remove that without getting shocked. One good thing about the clutch is kind of stuck engaged right now, so not having a kill switch, you can just stall it out with the chain. The chain needs a good sharpening, maybe even a new chain, but overall everything seems pretty mechanically in good shape. Maybe next time I can get that old Pioneer going.